$28 right here.
Okay guys, here's our packing the car video, and by the way, I forgot to say, we've never had a closer spot than we have today. Like I said, I think I might really like coming at night more than during the day because there really was not that many people in there compared to other days when we've come. So we're gonna pack the car and show you what we got. Obviously, we got paper towels and toilet paper today. Yeah, I hear it. Sorry for doing the ground, but we'll get there in a second. Okay, so we always have our coolers. So Steven's gonna pack, and I'll show you guys what we got. So.
Oh shit.
Oh, those are still in there from last time.
I thought I took them out.
So we've got chicken, bear chicken. We always buy the same chicken. Ouch. I got the Jimmy Dean sandwiches this time because I wanted something different. Instead of egg bites, we got a big piece of pork cutlets and lamb chops. My mom's obsessed with lamb chops. And the famous grass-fed beef burgers.
That's all we got.
That's one of the things. And then we're going to put the rest of the stuff in a bag. Can I see you as you pack it? Thank you. Cashew clusters. And our new prime. I showed those now. Are we? Yeah, they might melt though.
Huh?
They might melt.
They're not gonna melt.
Of course, we've got our toilet tissue and paper towels. Listerine, oh not Listerine, we got Crest mouthwash.
We got Crest because it was on sale. It was a lot cheaper.
And then our Boulder chips.
And it gets the 6-in-1.
So this was $180 something. It was very pricey today.
Nothing.
But it was because we got this stuff. Anyways, we're gonna try these in a separate video.